So hi guys, everyone. So in this video, we have Monica with us. So she just joined us to share her experience regarding Byju's. So she got placed in Byju's. So let us talk with her and know about what is the process regarding Byju's and what are the interview process and how what are the things happen while clearing this Byju's interview and all. So yeah, hi Monica.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. So, firstly, so what are the companies that you got placed in apart from Byju's and all?
Okay. Recently, I've got placed in TCS through
Mm-hmm.
National Qualifier Test, which is
Mm-hmm.
done in May. And
Mm-hmm.
further, I've been placed in Byju's and Alltech Technologies.
Oh, good, great. So, when we see, since the video is all about Byju's, let's talk about that. So, regarding Byju's, so how do you get into Byju's and what made you to go for that, and what are the things happened?
Okay. So, Byju's is an on-campus drive for our college, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Gudlawalur Engineering College. It is an
Okay.
on-campus drive. Firstly, we have been asked to apply for it through Google Teams, like some form we have filled, and further we have been into group discussion.
In the last few days, you all might have heard about re-level tests and some of you might have registered for it as well. But thousands of you have told me that you hadn't registered for the test due to multiple reasons. Well, today I have an exciting news for you. Re-level has made all their tests free of cost to give access to 1,000+ job opportunities to the people. So, your job hunting process for a good company ends with Re-level here. This is how it looks like when you click on the link that I provided in the description. So when you click on register for free, you will be displayed with different kinds of tests that it having: business development, front-end development and back-end development. So if for example I am clicking on front-end development, and when you click on register for free, you will be displayed with the different slots. Since the slots are booking fast, I suggest you to book the slots as soon as possible. So I am going for August 21st slot, and when I click on select test date, so here you need to record your video resume. So once you're done with recording your video resume, your slot will be confirmed, and that's how you will be taking the test. So you need not to have any college degree nor any prior experience. You just need to be 18 plus, and when you complete this exam or the test, and when you get your re-level score more than 700, you will be qualified to create your re-level profile. If not so, you will be having another attempt to retake this test after 30 days if you doesn't meet this qualifying criteria. And also the candidates will be rewarded with exciting goodies like MacBook, iPhone and many more gifts if you get higher score in the re-level test. You can register to re-level in just 5 steps. Firstly, sign up on relevel.com. Choose the test whichever your choice, whether backend development, front-end development or business development. Book a slot on what day you would like to give the test. Since the slots are booking faster, I suggest you to go for it as soon as possible. And the fourth step is create a video resume in which you can talk about yourself, your career aspirations, and your dream and all about. So, and the video resume should be submitted within 24 hours after confirming the slot in order to go confirm the slot. And finally, click on submit and confirm your slot for the test. Once you qualify the re-level test, you will be able to create an amazing profile for yourself, and once you create your amazing profile, that will be seen by different companies. So after completing the profile, you just need to do nothing. Just sit back and relax and wait for the companies to pick you after reviewing your profile. The better your re-level score is, the number of companies you can get will be more. So what are you waiting for? Go as soon as possible and book your slot with re-level and get a job in your dream company.
And in that group discussion, the 20 members have been parted into batches, and one full day is given to them to do the group discussion, and we have been given some topics about it. And the topic that I've been given is whether movies is impacted on youth in a right way or a negative way. So out of the 20 members, it was more like a dispute rather than a group discussion. So the HR was like more towards the students who made it very sensibly, spoke so sensibly. So I've been shortlisted to the interview further. Out of the 732 students, 18 members were shortlisted from GD to interview. And in the interview, it was the first interview. In that interview, HR was there, and I think he's the junior HR, not the main one. And one thing before the interview is the 18 members, before entering into the interview, they have made to sit in a meeting where the main head of Byju's, said and talked to each and every student that about the role he said, and about the salary, about the timings, as well as location of Byju's and how would you work at Byju's. He has explained all things as it is not a software company. So that we would make our mind in such a way that we could enter into the interview and be placed in Byju's. And who are not interested might drop from there.
Yeah.
So we have made a decision, and from that meeting, we have been entered into interview at 2 o'clock. And in that interview, a junior HR was there, and he asked me some type of questions. Starting initially, as we all know, that it is tell me about yourself. I told about it very clearly. And a further thing he asked is, he just wanted to test my communication skills. And he asked me a question like, what are the things outside? How is the thing going on outside? He asked, means about the COVID-19. And he said that he asked me, and I told that on that day itself, at 1 p.m., I've got vaccinated. And I told that I've got vaccinated. And some type of discussion was going on between me and him. And he said, what are the things that to be avoided to reduce the COVID-19? I have said some of these things. So these questions were basically silly, sound silly, but he tested the communication skills.
Yeah.
And after that, he asked me about the role. And I would clearly say about the role that the role which was given to me was student success specialist. And it is not a software type of job. It is basically type of management type of job, I would say. As it is a product-based company, we have to take the product forward, right?
Yes,
and they have chosen some candidates like engineers and some BCA, some BSc, some type of students they have taken. So he asked me about the role. It was student success specialist. And the main importance of the role was we have to take the product forward by contacting through calls to parents, students, so that we have to make calls and ask them like how is the product being used by them, whether they have any doubts or not. If you have any doubts, you can ask us, and how is your performance going on? Are you able to understand the lessons? And so on. Mainly, if we tell about Byju's, everyone's picture is like we would be like teaching on the screen. No, we would not be teaching on the screen. We would be making calls. The role is student success specialist. We have to make students learn. We have to make their doubts to be cleared, and we have to take the product forward. It is the main criteria of this.
Yes. Yeah.
So per day, we have to make 60 calls. We have to make 60 calls. We have to make calls whether the student is interested or not. Apart from it, we have to make 60 calls every day. And it was the role, I said, and the location of Byju's is basically Bangalore. The timings of the job is morning 10 a.m. to night 8 p.m. And the offs were alternate in a week, like Monday off, Wednesday off. Any alternate, 5 days a week, 2 alternate offs. So this is the basically role. I said about it clearly. And he asked me, you are an engineer, you are from a BTech background. Why would you come to Byju's then? Then I said one thing, sir, I'm very strong in the communication skills, and I think that every work is divine. Because even a hawker, if he make his work in a perfect way, he gets satisfied at the end of the day. And I too said the same. Because I'm strong in my communication skills, at the end of the day, if I see that how is the day going on for me, I would love to do that, and I would be definitely satisfied because I love to communicate. I love to speak. So that's the main thing I put myself into. So whatever the work I do, I firstly think that whether I would be satisfied with the work or not, whether I would love to do, I would have the same energy at the start of the day or end of the day. Then I said, yes, because I'm good at communication skills, I would definitely do that. I would love to do it. Then he was like, okay, she is doing well. Like, he kept the expression like that. It was going on, and he asked me whether you would have the same at the end of the day and the start of the day. Yes, because you won't think about the hard work, or you won't feel the tiredness because of the work you love. You don't think about the tiredness, or you don't think about that, okay, I'm tiring a bit. No, because if you love the work, you will definitely do. You won't step back.
Yes.
They were And after that, he asked me whether you would relocate to Bangalore or not. Yeah, I would do that. I asked my parents to, and they're happy with that. And one thing I forgot, sorry. And the salary which was given to us was with variable, it was 6 LPA.
Mm-hmm.
Without variable, it was 5 LPA.
Okay.
If with the work you do within 1 year, they would increase the pay scale to 6 LPA.
Okay.
So this is
That's great.
about the first interview. It was
Mm-hmm.
like almost 40 minutes, which was happening.
Oh.
They were literally testing my communication skills and
Mm-hmm.
the commitment towards my work. They have tested all the things.
Mm-hmm.
And for the final interview, out of the 18 members, only 3 members got selected, out of which an AC student, mechanical student who performed the best basically have been shortlisted to final interview. And about the final interview, it is basically about the how committed you are to the role and how well you can do the role, management skills basically at the final interview. And he
Mm-hmm.
asked me and stick to only one question, like you would make 60 calls a day
Mm-hmm.
and a parent would not lift a phone. He would
Okay.
not see a phone, not even if he sees even if he sees the phone, like he would not be interested to lift your call. How would you do in that situation? So you would how would you manage the situation and how would you convince that HR? That was the
Mm-hmm.
main point. So I was telling my reasons and he was not being convinced. So at last
Mm-hmm.
I told that one question which basically impressed him, that so I would like to answer this question only after joining Byju's. So he laughed out loud and he
Okay.
said, okay, that's good. That's a clever answer, like he said.
Mm-hmm.
And he was a little bit impressed and he asked me, would you relocate to Bangalore? Yeah, I would relocate. And it was well, but I
Mm-hmm.
was stuck to only one question, that how would you be so committed to the role?
Mm-hmm.
So that was the only question which he tested on me,
Mm-hmm.
and the interview was over.
Okay. That's great. After completing your interview, so when did you get your confirmation letter? Like how many days of gap was there?
Uh, Actually, I did not get any confirmation letter. Firstly, I
Mm-hmm.
received a call from Byju's HR that I've been selected, and
Mm-hmm.
after that, after like 30 minutes, I've received a mail. That too, after 10 days, I think.
Mm-hmm.
After 10 days, I received a call, and after that, I received a mail.
Mm-hmm.
I filled the offer letter, and some formalities were there in Byju's.
Okay, Monica. So, if you would like to give any suggestions to the freshers or upcoming batches who are particularly want to join Byju's, what would you give?
Okay. To join Byju's, the skills that have tested me are basically my communication skills, my managerial skills, and the confidence that you see. So,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to suggest all juniors that learn English in a way that you could express yourself. When you express yourself, they get impressed automatically. So, improve your communication skills in such a way that you can express yourself in an efficient manner. And
Mm-hmm.
second thing I would suggest is be confident. Have eye to eye contact, because virtual interviews basically depends upon the contact between and the connection skills. Be confident and just be yourself at the interview. That's it.
Yeah, that's good. These are some good points to be noted. So finally, Monica, so if you want to give some of the random suggestions that not only particular to Byju's, so since the interviews are happening virtually due to this COVID-19 pandemic also, so some of the interviews may be conducted only on offline mode. That's based on the criteria of the company. So, but mostly it will be on virtual mode. So based on your experience with random companies that you give in the interview, so what would you suggest for the people?
Okay, so the things that I've said before only, be confident,
Mm.
improve your English, improve your communication skills, and whatever the question that interview have asked you,
Mm.
don't keep a blank face. Just tell it something rubbish or anything maybe, but don't be blank, or at least tell that you don't know the answer. Sir, I could not recall that question. I could not recall the answer. Just say something. So anything. So just respond to him, keep an eye contact, be confident. And coming to interviews like this is be prepared for interviews. Just don't neglect and be prepared for the things they would be tested on, like programming and like your communication skills and the managerial skills they want to see in you. Just know about the company first, then prepare yourself in such a way in programming and communication skills. It will lead you to success. Definitely, with confidence, I would say it will lead you to success.
Okay. So see, these are some good points you shared. So I think Monica, you shared enough, information